morning, students, and welcome to our English class. So today we are going to read Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. This is chapter 2 of your book First Flight. Now, students, do you heard about Nelson Mandela? Obviously, you can and you have to, and you know it. Why? Because Nelson Mandela was the first black president of South Africa. Now, why it is need to read about Nelson Mandela? Because Nelson Mandela was the first person who started his struggle against apartheid. Now, what do you mean by apartheid problem? So, students, in South Africa, it was so happened that the rule of English people was there, and there was lot of discrimination between black and whites. Students, you know about caste system. Caste system discrimination on the basis of upper caste and lower caste. Similarly, apartheid is a discrimination on the basis of race, means color. White people, they showed themselves more superior than the black ones. So this was the problem faced by the people of black living in South Africa. So Nelson, in this chapter, this is a full autobiography of Nelson Mandela, that is A Long Walk to Freedom. But we will read only an extract of this autobiography in this chapter. So students, this chapter is a very important. We'll see what speech was there after getting independence. Nelson Mandela gave a very motivating, very convincing speech to all of the people of South Africa. So on that day, it was 10th of May. It was 10th of May when the oath ceremony was going to be held in the Union building, that is amphitheater in Pretoria, in South Africa. So here all of the people from whole world has been assembled. So why? Because very first time the party of Nelson Mandela, African National Party, won 252 seats out of 400, means complete majority. He won the elections, and whole of the people of South Africa, they elected Nelson Mandela as their leader. So this was the day when Nelson Mandela was going to take oath as the first black president of South Africa. So his daughter was with him, named Zenani. And everybody was, there were too many flags were flying on the sky. Before this independence, what inspired Nelson Mandela to do so? Friends, we'll see that the blacks, they were deprived of each and every right. The white people, they were superior, they were considered superior than the black ones. Though black peoples, they have their native place, but even then the whites were ruling. So this problem was also faced by Nelson Mandela. First of all, as he was in his childhood, he didn't know about the real meaning of freedom. He thought that playing, eating, roaming is only the freedom. But when he grown up, he came to know that no, this is not the freedom. We black people are deprived of each and every right. We don't have any right to go on any high post. So for this, he struggled a lot, and during this struggle, whole of the black people, they supported him, and he won this election and became the white president. So this was the day of 10th May when everybody was assembled there to salute Nelson Mandela, to congratulate Nelson Mandela. The officers who were just there, who were just arrested him before this election, now they were there to salute him. Now Nelson Mandela thought that yes, from today we are independent, but I have to take an oath that right from today all of the South African have equality before law, equality for everything. There will be no any discrimination regarding caste, color, creed, everything. Everybody should be treated equally. And in his speech, he said that right from today we will support each and every person of our society, either he is black or white. So for that, the two national anthems which were sung earlier, they have been combined, and the lyrics of the national anthem will be learned by everyone, so that whole of the country should be united. Now friends, Nelson Mandela said in his speech that if we learn hate, because till now hate was there between white people hated black and the black ones hated white. So if we learn hate, why can't we learn love? So this was the reason that he learned. He inspired people to learn love, to spread love, so that we can share this independence to everyone, and we can enjoy our independent India. So friends, this is just a short summary of chapter Nelson Mandela, and you will read it, and if you have a problem then you can ask me. So thank you friends.